You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, dual rear wheels, rear-wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.